How to discover BeReal friends. If you are new to using BeReal and you don't yet have any friends inside of BeReal, let me show you the way that you can find new people or add in people that you already know from your contacts. If you head over to the friends section on the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to sync your contacts. That way you'll be able to find people in your contacts that are actually inside of BeReal. Other than this, what you can do is tap on this search bar on the top and start searching for people's name. This way you can search up their username, and once you're done, also recommended friends section will start to pop up, and from this section as well you can just tap on add and then add other people as friends inside of BeReal. Once you added in people as friends, you can head over to the chat section and then chat with them as well. Now, once you have added in some friends inside of BeReal, their posts will start to be available on the My Friends tab. You can also view their friends' posts as well by heading over to the Friends of Friends section. If you have a lot of friends added in, this section will also start to populate. So by using these few methods, you'll be able to discover BeReal friends. I do hope this guide video helped you out. Be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.